Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to search for products on DSers. DSers is a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products from other retailers without having to carry any inventory yourself. This can be a great way to start an online business or to add new products to your existing store. In this video, I'll cover the following topics: how to create a DSers account, how to search for products on DSers, how to filter products by category, price, and other criteria, how to add products to your cart, how to place an order. I'll also provide some tips on how to find the best products to sell on DSers. So, let's get started. How to create a DSers account. The first step is to create a DSers account. This is free and easy to do. Go to the DSers website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and password, and then click on the Create Account button. 1. You will receive a confirmation email. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Once you have verified your account, you can log into DSers and start searching for products. How to search for products on DSers. There are two ways to search for products on DSers. Use the search bar. Browse the categories. Using the search bar. The search bar is the most efficient way to find specific products. Simply enter the name of the product or keyword that you are looking for, and then click on the search button. Browsing the categories. DSers has a number of categories that you can browse to find products. These categories include electronics, fashion, home and garden, health and beauty, sports and outdoors, toys and games, automotive, baby and kids, pets, jewelry, office supplies, tools and hardware, industrial, food and beverages, other. Once you have found a category that you are interested in, you can click on it to see a list of all of the products in that category. How to filter products by category, price, and other criteria. DSers allows you to filter products by a number of criteria, including category, price, shipping method, supplier, product rating, availability. This can be a great way to narrow down your search and find the products that are right for you. How to add products to your cart. Once you have found a product that you want to sell, you can add it to your cart. To do this, simply click on the Add to Cart button. How to place an order. Once you have added all of the products that you want to sell to your cart, you can place an order. To do this, click on the Checkout button. You will be asked to provide your shipping and billing information. Once you have done this, you can click on the Place Order button. Your order will be processed and shipped to you shortly. Tips for finding the best products to sell on DSers. Here are a few tips for finding the best products to sell on DSers. Look for products with high profit margins. Look for products with low shipping costs. Look for products with good reviews. Look for products that are in high demand. Conclusion. DSers is a great platform for finding and selling products. By following the tips in this video, you can find the best products to sell and start making money online. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on dropshipping. I hope this video has helped you learn how to search for products on DSers. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on dropshipping. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.